Look at all you can do with an ice tray. Do you think ice trays are just for chilling your drinks? You won't believe what you can do with a little imagination. 1. An original twist to the classic ice cube. Start by slicing strawberries, a cucumber, and a lemon into small pieces. Place the tiny pieces in an ice tray. Fill it with water and freeze for 6 hours. Once they're ready, you can add them to any drink. Add the strawberry ice cubes to sparkling water and the lemon ice cubes to your lemonade. Those cucumber ice cubes will go great in a mojito. Enjoy those original drinks. Do you have to study but have a hangover? Don't worry, we have an ice tray for every situation. 2. Let's make coffee caramels. Pour some sugar into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 pinch of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3/4 of a cup of hot coffee, and 1/4 cup of unflavored gelatin. Pour the mix into the ice tray and put it in the fridge. Those tasty treats will give you plenty of energy to study. 3. Ice cubes are also great for cooking. If you have some rosemary and basil laying around, put some of the leaves in an ice tray and add olive oil or melted butter. Place the ice tray in the freezer. Those herb cubes are perfect for adding a special flavor to your food, even if you're just making scrambled eggs. By the looks of it, you can't even make that. 4. Dessert popsicles. If you like keeping it simple, this recipe is for you. Pour orange juice into an ice tray. Cover it with plastic wrap. Place toothpicks in each space, poking through the plastic wrap. Put it in the freezer. That's the easiest popsicle recipe ever. After all that hard work, you deserve some rest. 5. How about making some aromatherapy shower bombs? Pour 1 cup of baking soda in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of citric acid and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Mix it well. Add 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a few drops of soap dye, and a touch of essential oil. Mix everything well. To finish it off, add some tea leaves. Mix it again. Put the mixture in the ice tray. Use a spoon to flatten the cubes. Refrigerate for 4 hours. When you take a shower, the steam will release the relaxing essential oils. Or you can throw some in the tub and have an aromatherapy bath. Having muscle pain from all that work? 6. Ice cubes for muscle pain relief. This is a very simple trick. Take aloe vera gel and fill your ice tray with it. Put it in the freezer. When it's frozen, you'll have the perfect ice cube for muscle pain. Besides relieving pain, they also moisturize your skin. As good as new, right? All thanks to those magic cubes.